Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we want to do laundry and I thought why not do laundry with you guys. So I want to make this video because it's the first time I'm using a washing machine, right? Amazing. The washing machine has always been here, but normally I hand wash my clothes, but today the sun is just so hot I feel kind of lazy and I thought let me use this machine for the first time. The last time we had a washing machine was when how many years ago? I think when I was around in high school, but I never used to use it because we had a house help and I was in boarding most of the time, so I didn't get a chance. And I only used to see my mom use it to wash blankets, so I didn't really use it, right? So we got this one and I want to try use it today. I've just asked for the instructions, so let's hope that I'll get to maneuver around because it seems so simple. Yeah, so I need to remove this ladder from here first. This is one of the dirty clothes. Then I can remove that machine and put it here because it's not connected there. Yeah, and then we can put water and start. So let's do this. I'm already sweating by pulling that machine, but let me show you. I'll take this one, it's for draining. This is for draining the water. Let's put it here. This is for putting water inside. I should actually put my detergent here, but if my water is not gonna reach here, I'm just gonna put it inside here. Yep, so let's stabilize this machine and use this tap to put water inside. Clothes are not many, so I'll just put in this here. That's enough, I guess. Okay. So let's fill it with water. I think the water is gonna reach here at low. Wait, here, L. Putting it here will not make sense because I don't have many clothes. Here at M, so it's gonna be L. So let that fill up. This looks like the water inlet. I don't know if it can work there. Should I try? Our water level is good, so let's get to washing. Okay. Let's cover here. My clothes are a little dirty, not dirty or very dirty, so I think I'm gonna put C. C. Wash selector strong. We're washing, we're not draining. Yeah, so let's put this on. Washing is done. Now I have to manually remove the clothes so that I can drain the water and rinse. This is a bit old school, but at least I don't have to, do all that. So actually I have more clothes to add, so I won't drain the water first. I'll put the rest of the clothes and then they can be washed. Let's see if this has really cleaned. Very clean. Yeah. Yeah, it's clean. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I can actually rinse the ones I've removed off by hand as this one's continue so that I can just dry them all together. Yeah, saves on time. We are draining the water to rinse our clothes in. Actually, I've rinsed them by hand. Yeah, focus here. So I just want to return them here so that I can put Star Soft. Then we can dry them and take them to the sun and we'll be done. How effective and less time consuming. I mean, I have time to do other things, so yep. Oh wow. I think in like an hour my clothes will all be dry. Oh my goodness. And it smells so good. Ah. Woohoo! Wow. This is amazing. These things are almost dry. So let's go hang as the last batch rinses. Come with me. So guys, I'm finally done with laundry. I really enjoyed making this video. I've just felt a certain type of way using the washing machine because I mean it's so convenient. I'm able to do other things while my laundry is washing, other than you're washing laundry. By the time you're done, it's like 2-3 hours later, then you have to do other things. I mean, you can do those other things while you're washing laundry. This is a wake-up call for me to get my own personal washing machine. From my mouth to God's ears. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. So ensure to subscribe and hit the like button. Leave for me a sweet comment down below. I shall see you on the next one. Bye.